Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something we all care about, looking young, fresh, and vibrant. But what if I told you that certain habits might be making you look older than you actually are? Don't worry though, because today we're diving deep into the habits that might be aging you and more importantly, how to break them. Stick around because I'm revealing 7 reasons why you might be aging faster than you should and what you can do to fix them. Let's get into it. Alright, let's be honest, how many of us are guilty of sacrificing sleep? Staying up late, binge-watching our favorite shows, scrolling endlessly through social media. But here's the thing, if you're skimping on sleep, it's showing up on your face. Remember those mornings when you looked in the mirror and gasped? Those dark circles under your eyes? The puffiness? That overall dullness? That's your lack of sleep saying hello. Think of sleep as your body's magical reset button. While you sleep, your skin cells are hard at work, repairing damage, producing collagen, our anti-aging best friend, and regenerating. Imagine this: a warm bath with calming essential oils, a good book, maybe a cup of chamomile tea, and put those phones away. That blue light is a recipe for sleeplessness. Remember, beauties, sleep is the ultimate beauty treatment. We all know that water is essential for life, but did you know it's also the fountain of youth? Seriously, if your skin is crying out for moisture, it's going to show your age, and then some. Think of your skin like a beautiful, plump grape. Now, imagine that grape slowly shriveling up, becoming dry and wrinkled. That's what happens to your skin when you're dehydrated. Not a cute look, right? Dehydrated skin looks dull, feels tight, and those fine lines? They become way more prominent. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Drink up, loves, and let your inner glow shine through. Okay, this one might surprise you, but trust me on this. Your posture plays a huge role in how youthful you look. Think about it. When you see someone hunched over, shoulders slumped, do they give off an energetic, youthful vibe? Not really. Bad posture doesn't just affect how your clothes fit or how confident you feel. It actually creates a sagging effect on your face and body. That's right. Slouching can lead to a droopy neck, a less defined jawline, and even contribute to a rounded upper back. But don't despair. Good posture is like a mini facelift. When you stand tall, shoulders back, chin lifted, you naturally look more confident, more energetic, and yes, more youthful. Be mindful of how you're sitting, especially if you're at a desk all day. Make sure your computer screen is eye level to prevent tech neck. And don't forget about strengthening your core. Pilates, yoga, even just simple planks can work wonders for improving your posture. Your body will thank you. Let's talk about sugar, shall we? I know, it's sweet, it's delicious, and it makes everything taste better. But here's the bitter truth. Sugar is a major culprit when it comes to premature aging. Think of sugar as the ultimate collagen crusher. When we consume too much sugar, it triggers a process called glycation, which basically attacks and damages our precious collagen. The result? Wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin, basically all the things we don't want. And it's not just about the obvious sugary treats. Hidden sugars lurk everywhere, from processed foods to sauces to even those healthy smoothies. Swap out sugary drinks for water or herbal teas. Craving chocolate? Reach for a piece of dark chocolate with a high cacao content. It's actually good for your skin. And embrace the natural sweetness of fruits. They're packed with antioxidants and vitamins that will make your skin glow from within. Ever heard the saying, stress makes you age faster? Well, it's not just a saying, it's actually true. We live in a fast-paced world, constantly bombarded with information and deadlines, and it takes a toll on our bodies, especially our skin. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which in small doses is actually helpful. But when we're chronically stressed, that cortisol becomes public enemy number 1 for our skin. It breaks down collagen, again, our anti-aging superhero, increases inflammation, and can even lead to breakouts. Think about a time when you were incredibly stressed. Did you notice your skin looking dull, tired, maybe even breaking out more than usual? That's stress showing its ugly face. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, even just taking a few minutes to sit in silence and focus on your breath can make a world of difference. And let's not forget about the power of exercise. Whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a dance class, or hitting the gym, moving your body is a fantastic way to release those feel-good endorphins and combat stress. Remember, a happy, calm mind equals happy, youthful skin. If there's one skincare tip I could scream from the rooftops, it would be this: wear sunscreen every day. Seriously, I mean it. Sunscreen isn't just for beach days, it's your secret weapon in the fight against premature aging. You see, those harmful UV rays from the sun, they're sneaky little things. They penetrate your skin even on cloudy days, causing all sorts of damage. We're talking wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, uneven skin tone, the works. Think of sunscreen as a protective shield for your skin, deflecting those harmful rays and preventing them from wreaking havoc. Look for lightweight, oil-free formulas that blend seamlessly into your skin without leaving any white cast. And don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're spending time outdoors. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Last but not least, let's talk about skincare. Taking care of your skin isn't just about vanity, it's an act of self-love and self-care. And the truth is, neglecting your skin can definitely make you look older than your years. Think of your skincare routine as a ritual, a time to pamper yourself and give your skin the love it deserves. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup and impurities without stripping away your skin's natural oils. Exfoliation is key. Just like we exfoliate our bodies to remove dead skin cells, our faces need some love too. Use a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week to reveal brighter, smoother skin. And never ever skip moisturizer. Moisturizer is like a tall drink of water for your skin, keeping it hydrated, plump, and youthful. Find a moisturizer that suits your skin type and apply it morning and night. So go ahead, pamper yourself. Your skin will thank you for it. And there you have it. 7 habits that could be aging you, without you even realizing it. But remember, it's never too late to turn back the clock. Small changes to your lifestyle and daily routine can make a world of difference. Now, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you'll start doing differently today? Are you committing to getting more sleep, drinking more water, wearing sunscreen religiously? Let's inspire each other to embrace our most youthful, radiant selves. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on looking and feeling your best. See you in the next one.